everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, get ready for something absolutely insane. Imagine power, luxury, and pure off-road dominance fused into one unstoppable machine. This is the 2026 Overlord 6x6 camper, a vehicle that doesn't just travel across the world, it conquers it. From the very first glance, the Overlord 6x6 commands attention. This is not your typical motorhome. This is a rolling fortress. The massive body, the aggressive stance, and those 6 enormous all-terrain tires instantly tell you one thing: this machine fears nothing. Mountains, deserts, snow, mud, it's built to dominate every terrain you can imagine. The design is bold, muscular, and futuristic. Every line screams strength. The reinforced steel bumpers, the elevated ground clearance, and the rugged Overland styling give it the presence of a military-grade expedition truck. Yet despite its brutal exterior, there's an undeniable sense of modern luxury embedded into every detail. But let's talk about performance, because this beast isn't just about looks. Underneath that armored body sits a monstrous engine built for endurance and raw power. The 6x6 drivetrain delivers unbelievable traction, allowing the vehicle to maintain stability even on the harshest surfaces. Sand dunes, no problem. Rocky mountain trails, effortless. Deep snow or heavy mud, it pushes forward like an unstoppable force. This is the kind of vehicle designed for true explorers, for people who see roads as optional. And now, the moment everyone waits for, the interior. Step inside the Overlord 6x6 camper, and the experience completely transforms. The rugged exterior gives way to a world of refinement, comfort, and intelligent design. This isn't just a vehicle interior, this is a luxury apartment on wheels. The cabin is spacious, bright, and meticulously crafted. Premium materials wrap every surface, soft touch panels, elegant textures, and modern lighting that creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. Large panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, connecting you to the outside world while maintaining complete comfort. The seating area feels like a high-end lounge. Plush, ergonomic seats provide exceptional comfort whether you're driving across continents or relaxing after a long adventure. Every angle is designed with both style and practicality in mind. Move further inside, and you'll find a fully integrated kitchen that rivals many modern homes. Sleek countertops, intelligent storage solutions, and high-end appliances make life on the road not just possible, but luxurious. Cooking in the middle of nowhere has never felt this refined. Then there's the sleeping area, a sanctuary of comfort. Designed for rest and relaxation, it offers a peaceful retreat after the most extreme journeys. Soft lighting, clever space utilization, and premium finishes turn every night into a 5-star experience. Technology plays a huge role inside the Overlord. Advanced digital control panels allow you to manage lighting, climate, power systems, and vehicle data with effortless precision. Everything feels futuristic, intuitive, and incredibly smooth. This is expedition living reimagined for the modern era. But what truly makes the Overlord 6x6 camper special is the philosophy behind it. This vehicle represents freedom. Freedom from roads. Freedom from limitations. Freedom to wake up wherever you want, on a mountain peak, beside a frozen lake, deep in the desert, or in the heart of untouched wilderness. It's not just transportation, it's independence, it's adventure, it's a lifestyle. The 2026 Overlord 6x6 camper is built for dreamers, explorers, and those who refuse to accept ordinary travel. It's a machine that transforms the idea of mobility into something extraordinary. Because when your vehicle can take you anywhere, the world becomes your backyard. So tell me in the comments, where would you take this beast? Deserts? Snowy mountains? Remote forests? Endless highways? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the next incredible machine we bring to the channel.